What's up guys, and welcome back to another video where today we're going to be doing some more wrapping. Alright guys, next thing on our list we're going to wrap is the bumper. I want to wrap these. On this side, this is how it looks right now. I did repair this side and that side. There was a little bit of dents in there. So first things first, we're gonna remove all the plastics. I'm not wrapping the plastics, we're keeping the plastics. So I'm gonna start by removing all of these. These are very easy to, I'm just gonna twist it off. There we go. Put these in a safe place. There we go. And I'm gonna start with, I think there's a little bolt here, right there, you guys can see it. I'm gonna start by removing it on each side, and then we'll go ahead and pop these side pieces first. After we pop these side pieces, then we can pop this one out. I am gonna be repainting this. I was thinking of taking it off because I don't really tow anything, but just in case I do have to tow something, I guess I'll keep it. And since we're gonna take all these plastics off, we're gonna have to wrap this piece in here too, which we might have to take the tailgate off again to wrap that. Alright guys, we finally got it removed. I did end up removing the tailgate. That way I can wrap these areas here all the way down here. Oh, but this was a hassle. It was a hassle because of this. This thing didn't let me take the plastic out here, and then this thing you kind of have to wiggle it around. So when you have this thing in place plus this, it made it so hard, but glad we got it off. So I'm gonna pull the truck a little bit forward, rinse most of this dirt off, and then I'll probably start with sanding this down and then putting a couple coats of black paint on this, and then we can start prepping the sides for some wrap. Alright guys, so you washed the whole thing here to remove most of the dirt, and I did clean this up with this wheel here, this wire wheel. Removed all the rust around it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and primer it and put some black paint on it, and then I think we can get the rest of the panels prepped already to wrap. Alright guys, that's our first coat right there. Probably gonna do like 3 coats of primer, and then I'll throw in our color coat. Alright guys, went ahead and applied our first layer of black on here. Finished wrapping this side. As you can see. Bam. So all this is going to be covered by the plastics, as well as this side right here, so I'm not too worried. I did a little bit of overkill by wrapping all the way to the end, but I'd rather do that than for any chrome to show. Alright guys, my goal for this weekend, which I'm probably going to put it all in one video, is to do both fenders and the hood and the rear bumper. So I did do the grill during the week. It's very easy, and obviously it's not this grill. I went with an HD grill, so this one's going to be out of here. So the grill was time consuming, but it's fairly easy. The only hard part is when you have to wrap around like these corners here. You kind of have to use a little heat, push it in, but not too much, or else it's just gonna pop back up. So that's where the tricky part is. But like I said, I'm probably gonna start with this side, and then I'm gonna go with the other side, the side that we repaired over here. Alright, so in order to prepare this to get wrapped, I'm gonna be removing the headlights and the fender liner. I'm gonna remove all that, remove this plastic here, and probably go ahead and, I already clay barred it, but I'm gonna go ahead and clay bar it again. Make sure everything is nice and smooth, there's no contaminants, and then we're gonna use some alcohol to wipe everything down, and then we're gonna go with the tack cloth before we lay our panel down. So I'm gonna start right now by removing all the whole front end. So I'm not gonna show you guys that, it's repetitive, I've done it in a bunch of videos already, but I'm gonna remove this whole front end. There's no need to remove the bumper, there's plenty of clearance there, and I think that's it. So the fender liner, I think I'm just gonna remove the bolts that are here so it pushes down, that way I can clean properly down there and I can feed the wrap into there. I don't want any beige or tan showing through the vinyl there. So let's get started. Like I said, I'm going to remove all this and then start prepping this area. Alright guys, I went ahead and removed the headlight. That way I can wrap all the way in here. Wrap properly under here. I'm going to pop the hood while I'm wrapping so I can wrap in there. And then I did pop out the fender liner. That way I'm going to probably wrap it to just this spot weld here. To this area here. And then use this as a guide to cut. That way the fender liner covers most of it. And we won't have any of this tanner gray showing. Other than that, we're set. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and clay bar it. The only trouble I'm going to have is wrapping around this corner here. I feel like this is the only trouble I'm going to have. Just because it's really tight against this seal here. So maybe I can use something to pry it. So I can feed it in there and cut it properly. But we'll see about that. So this last time you guys will see it like this. By the time I'm done, it's going to be all nicely wrapped. Alright guys, everything is prepped already. I'm going to cut my vinyl to size and then mock it up and cut this wheel well off because it's going to be an excess of vinyl that we don't want to waste, that we can probably use for the bumpers or the mirrors or something. So I'm going to lay it on here, use some magnets to hold it on. Oh, back is dirty. And then cut this out.
Keep God first. I see evil when I converse. Not today, say. This how God works. Play my position, what is given with no concerns. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off. You living boring, I'm gonna set it off. Shooting, I'm scoring, I'm gonna set it off. Like soldiers torn, I'm gonna set it off. Son of God, no, I am not son of man. Blessings keep falling, the fingers keep coming in. I got you, but just know I'm texting like Uncle Sam. Left to the bank, you know that I'm coming in. We don't do it for the bands though, we don't do it for the clout. Legacy on the line, so I'm moving in and out. Seen good ones turn top dog, greedy ones get knocked off. I keep looking at the bench like I could never not ball. Coach keep me in the game, Curry deadly with the range. I keep looking in the mirror like, who is he? I'm insane. Who am I? He insane. Guess I ain't the one to blame. What's done is done, won't change. Time to live up to my name. Real will be real, fake gon' fall. Took time with this here, I'm made for a while. No sleeping, no I won't fall. No sleeping, no I want it all. I keep God first. I see evil when I converse. Not today, say. This how God works. Play my position, what is given with no concerns. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off. You living boring, I'm gonna set it off. Shooting, I'm scoring, I'm gonna set it off. Like soldiers torn, I'm gonna set it off. Told my baby, meet me at the bank. Told my mama, I'ma break the trend. Locked in, I'ma change the weight. Working for my baby's kids. Hard times couldn't make the rent. Working hard couldn't save a cent. Lonely nights, just me and God. Swear to him, always made the ends. Grab a paper, see the news. Hate coming by the tools. Walk a mile in my shoes. Something you can never do. Got my back against the wall. Bet I always pull through. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Sending shots, I block 'em. Superman with the moves. Rock 'em, sock 'em, drop, bop 'em. Play to win, never lose. Run it up, I top 'em. Plate full, belly too. I hip hop or pop 'em. Anything I could do. The real won't be real, fake gon' fall. Took time with this here, I made for a while. No sleeping while I won't fall. No sleeping while I won't lead off. I keep God first. I see evil when I converse. Now today's say, this how God works. Play my position, what is given with no concerns. Go, 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 go. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off. You living boring, I'm gonna set it off. Shooting, I'm scoring, I'm gonna set it off. Like soldiers torn, I'm gonna set it off.
Alright, once I remove the knifeless tape, I still need to trim this little piece here. But I can use the back side of that panel to trim it. But you can see how straight the knifeless tape leaves everything. Otherwise I would have had jagged cuts. Or I would have just had like... I would have had to cut into the paint. But this leaves no cuts into the paint, so... Man, look how straight those lines are. Not everybody does this. So I'm going to trim this piece out, and then I'll show you the doors on the other side. Alright, now to trim this side of the door, it's going to be a little bit different. I'm literally going to use the side of the door, not the fender, and run my knife completely straight down here. That way, this is a completely straight cut, because I can't really use knifeless tape on the other side of this. There's not enough room unless I take the door off and everything, but that's pretty much what I'm going to do. And then I'll show you the end result once I'm done here. I'm just going to do this real quick. Alright guys, there we go. It's all trimmed out. I had to use this little card here to do this corner. You guys can see focus on there. Can't really focus, but corner came out really good. You guys can see that, but this corner came out very, very good. Surprisingly, like I said, I have no room right here, but I got it done. So everything else is pretty much buttoned up. I'm just gonna go ahead and reinstall everything and clean up the panel because it's dirty, and I'll show you guys how it looks.
Day 2.
Alright, this side's completely all done. Came out nice and clean. Corners came out perfect. I don't know if you guys can see my corners. There you go. Corners came out perfect. And perfect right here too. So, next on our list, we're going to do the hood. I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse too. Alright guys, here's the hood. completely done. Came out nice and clean. No issues whatsoever. It's coming along. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe so you guys stay tuned for the rest of the wrap. Let me know what you guys think so far in the comment section below. And tune in until next time.